So we are on to day 2. Day 2, dive. Now you need to figure out how to pilot this thing. It seems like the submarine could take a series of commands like forward 1, down 2, or up 3. Forward increases the horizontal position, down increases depth, up decreases depth. Note that since you're on a submarine, down and up affect your depth, and so they have the opposite result of what you might expect. Okay. The submarine seems to already have a planned course. You should probably figure out where it's going. Your horizontal position and depth both start at 0. Steps above would then modify them as follows. So forward would add 5, down would add 5. Yeah, okay. After following these instructions, you would have a horizontal blah blah blah. Okay, multiply them together. Okay, that looks easy. Even easier than problem 1. Not, well, parsing might be slightly less easy, but still pretty easy. Okay, so so we guess we want so we could say x y equals 0, 0. Y is the depth. It goes down, so it's not Cartesian y. It's like computer game y. Computer graphics y even. Okay. So we split it into 2. If A is forward, then we just add. Well, if A is, so it's just 3 forward, down, and up. All right, so down y plus equivalent b. A equals up. Y minus equivalent b. And then we just want to just multiply the 2 together. It's that. Correct? Based on your calculations, the planned course doesn't seem to make any sense. You find the submarine manual and discover that the process is actually slightly more complicated. In addition to horizontal position and depth, you'll also need to track a third value, aim, which also starts at 0. The command also means something entirely different than you first thought. Down X increases your aim, up decreases your aim. Forward does 2 things, increases your horizontal position, increases your depth by your aim multiplied by X. Okay. Got it. Okay. I think we don't need to read through the example. So we basically just do this again. But slightly different. Right, so this start is 0 again, and this time, if it's forward, it said, so we've got aim. So if it's forward, aim plus, so what did it say? No. Forward increases your horizontal position by X as before, but it increases your depth by your aim multiplied by X. Okay. So X plus equal int B. And the depth Y times your aim. Okay. If it's down, then your aim is increased by B. If it's up, your aim is decreased by B. Then we just print X times Y again. So it's a compounding amount. Correct? So, yep, straightforward enough. I mean, if we were to look at stats and stuff, yeah, these are pretty easy to begin with. Doesn't look like there's any major problem points, like, for most of it. Maybe 19 looks like it might be difficult. And 25, well, no, that's because you need to beat all the puzzles to finish 25. Okay.